So guys, unbox this with me. Unbox with me. This is a mini steam beauty sterilized skin complement water, moisturize skin and environment. This is how it is. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'll be unboxing something that I've always wanted to get, and today I'll be unboxing it with you also. Stay tuned. I've always wanted to get a hair steamer because I've seen a lot of benefits of using a hair steamer on your natural hair, and I and my daughter, we need this hair steamer to adding more moisture to our hair. Finally, I had to purchase it and I'm happy I bought it. So guys, unbox this with me. Unbox with me. This is a mini steam beauty sterilized skin complement water, moisturize skin and environment. This is how it is. Let's open it. I can't wait to try out this stuff. Wow, it's quite big. I never expected it to be this size. Okay, so this is it. So maybe let's read the manual to know what it's all about. They said this is the advanced ionic spraying machine user manual. To be honest, I don't like reading this. Whenever I get something, I don't like reading the manual. That's so bad of me, but this time around I need to start doing it, and I'm doing it with everybody now. Okay, so let's read. So the main thing is just to add in moisture into the natural hair while you're deep conditioning. Okay, so they say working time about 25 minutes. Switch on. I think the green bottle is for the is to switch it on. Yeah, they say power the switch on this way. I don't know if you can see it. It's on. It's on. And then they said the second one, ultraviolet switch. I don't know. The spray nozzle, this is the nozzle. Water inlet. Install the steamer nozzle. This is the nozzle. I've already installed it already. It has two steps, the method 1 and the method 2. So I was correct. Here is where you pour in the water, right? Because that's what is shown here. But though that is the step 2, the step 1 is to remove this. Can I remove it? Oh wow. Okay, to take down the water container, fill it in with water. So I'll have to take down this and fill it in with water to the maximum value, and then install the water container. Once I put in my water here, I put it back. Okay, I think going leftward is to lock it, while the right is to open it. Third step is to connect the power supply. The third step is to connect the power supply. Press the steam bottle and the ozone bottle in sequence. After waiting for 5 minutes, then the ozone mist will be released. So I think once you're done pouring the water, you turn on the ozone mist. You turn it on, this the ozone mist, waiting for 5 minutes, then vapor will start coming out, because they say please wait until the steamer spray is normal before pointing at the human body. Please maintain a distance of at least 30 centimeter. Okay, I'm happy I got this. I'm so happy I got this. I need this to add in more moisture into our hair. It's telling you all the benefits of using a hair steamer in your natural hair. Is good for deep hydration. It will help to open up the hair cuticle, so the moisture that you're getting from the deep conditioner will penetrate right into your hair shaft. It will help to improve the hair elasticity, soften, moisturize hair, improving the elasticity and reducing breakage. I'm so happy that I'm going to try out this one, and then I promise you all that when I start using this, I'll make a video to show you all how I use it on my daughter's hair. Okay, I'm glad you're on board this one with me. See you on the next one. Bye.